Today we're talking about the best online earning platform and the new launch site. The name is WDC Quantifying. Check it out here. WDC Quantifying, best online platform here. Make money easily at home now. So first of all, we tell you how to get your account. Put your email address, login password, confirm password, security password, confirm Telegram ID, and then sign register now. When you complete the whole process here, you enter the website. Phone number there. Put your mobile numbers, login password, confirm password, security password, and then register now. So when you complete the whole process, you have the name is wdcquantifying.com, best online earning platform. You just make money easily at home now. You can see here. And now the recharge and the withdraw, help pair, team, download app, activity, agent corporation, invite friend now. This is the interface here to cryptocurrencies here. The Binance here, OKX, Hobbies, Coinbase. And the BTC here, ETH, the BNB, ADA, Sol, Dodge, and TX and Shiba now. In the last one, you can see company details here. I can link the provided in the descriptions. Now you can read it yourself. Back to the home screen. First of all, I'll tell you how to make a recharge. Enter the recharge now. This kind of interface on your screen here. This one the QR code. This one the QR code and the link here. The quantitative accounts, the QR code and the DRC20 address. With the help of this address, you can recharge your account. So copy the address here now. Back to personal wallet. Make some investment now with the help of this thing. Copy the address. Back to personal wallet. Now back to personal wallet. Click on the USD options here now. Now the USD options here now, and the sell option here. Paste the address now. You can see which is the website here now. Paste it the amount 20 and next now. When you next here, the amount is being transferred to your website wallet account and your account will be charged. Now back to website. After the website, you click on recharge complete and recharge successfully. So let's back. Now the open the quantifying. You can see start Bitcoin buttons here and then start quantifying now. When you start quantifying buttons here, press start quantifying button and you can recharge now. So you can see today's earning 0.51. Look at that, 0.51 here. Profit at you can see. So now I'm back to the home screen. I'm trying to make a withdraw. So enter the withdraw. The withdrawable amounts are 1.511. You can see here the profit withdrawable amounts are 1.51. Put your amount and your address, password, and confirm. So you can see here the balance is been transferred to your personal wallet address now. Check your personal wallet. 0.5 USD received now on my personal wallet address. Check it out. 0.5115 you received here, successfully received on my personal wallet address now. Back to website. So the next one side, I can see here the quantifying options here. Look at that. The VIP 1 here, their profits are 324% now, 15 USDT. And now you can see here unlocked we have for 2 here now. Look at that. And we have for 3 here and the one for 4 here now. You can see the minimum deposit of 5,000 USDT. And now the robot 5 here for here, the minimum unlock of 10,000 USDT. And the 6 here, check it out, and the 7 here, and the 8 here, and the 9 here, and the 10 now. So all the details here, you can see the investment details and the profit details of our platform. You can read yourself. So most profitable site in 2024, abquantifying.net, best online earning platform. Make money easily at home now. And now the corporate financial institutions here, the Binance here, CoinGate, Kraken, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, Bitfinance, and then the Get.io and Pidgeot here. So this is our main interface of our platform. You can see here the profit details of our platform. So that's what the investments here. Click on invest on the smart investment here, AI revelations, and the cryptocurrency investment here, smart cryptocurrencies and driverless and drone technology here now, and renewable energies, and the smart chip. So this is the smart investment here, and the service options here. Click on service now. You can see this is the customer service centers of our platform. You can contact the customer service center if you have any problem from our website. So please contact the online customer service center. Next are the my options here, and look at that. And my options here, my details. Look at that, recharge, withdraw, and then the level 1, 2, and 3 now. So back to the home screen and the invite friends. These are your friends here. You can see the company give you a link here. With the help of this link, you can invite the people and get reward now. So copy the link here and share your friends and family circles now. If someone joins your link, you get the higher amount from company. So share friends completes here now. I get rebate income now. So this is our platform. The next ones are on my home screen here, and the abquantifying.net best. This is the team report here. You can see total ordinates, registrations, and VIPs, and number of registrations now. So this is the main menu here, recharge, withdrawals, and the details. This is the main interface of our platform. Check it out. So this is our platform WDC Quantify. You can see here the incorporations here now, and then recharge here, and the withdrawals, and the different type of cryptocurrencies are here. So this is our pair from WDC quantifying.